In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram link in Card. By the end, you'll have a clean Instagram icon on your Card site that takes visitors straight to your profile, and you'll know exactly where to adjust it to fit your design. First, head to the Card website. From the homepage, choose Open Dashboard. This brings you to your project so you can jump right into editing without hunting around. In the dashboard, click the project you want to update. That opens the editor where you'll see your page layout and the toolbar you'll use to add elements. In the editor, click Add to insert something new onto the page. For a simple, recognizable link to Instagram, choose Icons. Using an icon keeps your layout tidy, and people instantly know what to expect. If you prefer linking text or a button instead, the process is very similar, but we'll stick with an icon here for clarity. With the icon's element selected, look to the Settings panel and open the Type dropdown. This is where you choose which icon appears. Scroll through the list and find the Instagram icon. It's the familiar camera-style logo. Click it to apply the Instagram icon to your element. Now set where that icon should lead. In the URL field, paste your Instagram link. It's best to use the full address with HTTPS, like https://instagram.com/ your username, so the link works reliably on all devices. Double check there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end. If your profile has a region-specific link or a custom URL, paste that here as well. Some themes offer options like opening in a new tab or adding a title tooltip. Configure those if they match your preferences, but the key is making sure the URL is correct. When you're happy with the setup, click Done to confirm. Back on the canvas, you can drag the icon into place and align it with your layout. If the icon appears too large or too small, adjust its size and spacing in the settings to match the rest of your design. You can also refine its color to fit your brand palette or keep it neutral for a minimalist look. The goal is consistency. Line it up with other elements, leave even padding around it, and make sure it's clearly visible against the background. That's it, you just added a working Instagram link in Card using the icons element. With the icon positioned and the URL set, your visitors will be able to reach your Instagram profile in a single click.